Ready? 1 2 3 go. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nims Academy. Today we are going to see how we can convert Word file into JPEG file very easily. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. At first, open your browser in your PC, which browser you are using in your computer. Then type word2jpeg.com in the address bar and hit enter. Then the site which opens, drop your file in it. Simply upload your file by selecting your Word file which you want to convert. Wait till the file uploads. After that, uploads completed, you can see the download option in your computer screen. Click the download button. The converted file is downloaded into your PC. Then open the zip file where you can find JPEG file in it. So like this we can change Word file into JPEG file. I hope you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.